Okay, so you want me to help you? You got that side?
Yeah.
And pour that out, half of that. There you go, spread it out.
We'll do it and try to spill it everywhere?
No, don't spill it everywhere.
Okay. Alright.
It came all the way from like Netherlands or something.
France.
France, that's something.
My home country.
Yeah,
Be careful, respect it.
I will.
Otherwise I will shed your blood. Yeah,
You
exactly.
gotta love it.
And we're going to go ahead and spread it out evenly now so that it all gets everywhere. And you want to make sure that the hemp is just like wet enough so that it can take in the lime. That's real nice. Have you done this before?
What type of lime have we got here, guys? It's high calcium.
High calcium, hydrated lime.
And change direction of the mix.
Let a little bit go. We'll make a little ball, snowball, to stay together. It does stay together and it breaks apart nicely. It's good.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
This is your first time working with him,
Yeah, it is.
and what do you think?
Oh man, this is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Just the working with hemp ecosystems and working with Neil and learning how to build from nature, build from hemp, and know that we're creating negative carbon footprint. We're creating something that's never going to go to the landfill. We're creating something that looks amazing, that breathes, and has more benefits than I can even remember. In addition to that, this is epic. So
Yeah.
come join us.
Thank you.